Hi everyone, welcome back to Study Planet. Are you a Java developer or learning full stack development? Then this job opportunity in Pune could be perfect for you. Today I am going to share a great opportunity from Virtusa. They are hiring for a Java full stack developer role. In this video, I will explain everything step by step, role, skills, eligibility, and how to apply. Let's start with the basics. Role Java full stack developer. Location Pune, Maharashtra. Type full-time opportunity. This role is for candidates who can build scalable and real-world applications. What will you do in this role? In this job, your main work will be developing applications using Java backend, building user interfaces using Angular frontend, working on APIs and integrations. You will also design scalable systems, solve real-time problems, work on production level projects. So this is a complete end-to-end development role and required skills. Now let's talk about the skills. This is the key part. You should know Java code, especially multithreading, and Spring Framework, core JDBC Hibernate, and Angular frontend development. Also, important microservice architecture, REST APIs, RxJS, and routing. Additional skills Docker, cloud technologies, Oracle, caching, MongoDB databases. Tools you should know Git or Bitbucket, Jenkins CI/CD, and Jira, SonarQB, and basic Linux commands. Who should apply? This role is best for candidates with full stack skills, developers who know the both front end and back end, students or professionals with project experience. Even if you are a fresher with strong projects, you can try for this role. And why this job is important. This is not just a normal job. You will work on modern technologies, real time projects, enterprise level systems. This kind of experience is very valuable for your future career. How to apply? To apply, go to the official job page, link in the description, enter your email ID, upload your resume, and submit your applications. Make sure your resume highlights Java projects, full stack experience, and tools you know. And important tip, don't apply randomly. Customize your resume, mention real projects, and focus on Java plus Angular. This increase your chances of getting shortlisted. If you are serious about becoming a full stack developer, this is a great opportunity to apply. I already applied for this role and I will keep you updated on my experience as well. If you want more real job updates, genuine internships, and career guidance, make sure to check out my channel, Study Planet. If you are from an IT background, this channel will definitely help you grow. On my channel Study Planet, you will find not just job updates but also real internship guidance and complete step by step experiences. I have personally completed the Tata Data Analytics internship and I have shared everything from registration to certificate in a full playlist. If you are interested in that internship, you can watch the complete playlist on my channel. Also, some of the most popular videos on my channel include my Amazon SDE assessment experience, step-by-step guidance like how to upload IBM assignment documents, and many important tips related to internships and projects. So, if you are someone who wants real information, practical guidance, and genuine opportunities, make sure you subscribe to Study Planet so you don't miss anything important for your career. If you like this content, please like, share, subscribe to Study Planet, and thank you for watching Study Planet.